Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today we're going to do 3 unboxings very quickly of 3 paintings from Amazon. Okay, the first one is called Butterflies and Hydrangeas. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, it's got 3 beautiful blue butterflies, and then it's got the 3 beautiful flowers. And I love the background. I believe it's maybe nighttime because of how dark it is, dark blue on the background. It's 30 by 40 centimeters, and it's full drill, meaning that the whole painting is full of, you filled it up with drills, versus a partial. Partial is just certain spots where you put the drills. Not all of it has drills. So this is a full drill. And it's round, and it's got 22 colors. So let me bring it up so you can see how beautiful it is. It's very, very clear. Okay, let's see. Very, very sticky. I tried to flatten it as much as I could. Let's see it. Remember, I taught you guys, you just have to peel it on the sides and try to flatten it as much as you can. Let's do the other. I do all 4 corners. Okay. So let's look at what it comes with the drills. Let's put this over here. So it comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. And these are the beautiful colors. Let's see, 20, how many did we say? 22 colors, I'm sorry. So I'll just show you the back of the colors. So you got like a deep purple, black, grays, and another purple. And then over here you have 3 of the same color. So 3 bags. That must be the background, because it's got that beautiful blue. And then it's got more blues. It's got lots of blues. And green, and a green, it must be for the leaves. Let's turn it around so you can see better. And then goes another green, pink, that's for the flowers, more greens, gray, and like a pink. And also that's for the flowers. But it also has like some pink on the butterflies. Not a lot, but some. And over here, white, that's for the flower, and more like violets and pinks. So beautiful, absolutely beautiful colors. Love this one, guys. Very bright. Okay, so let's put that one aside. Let's see, we're gonna do this one next. And I can reach it. Okay. And this one is called Peace. It's a peace gnome. Is he not the cutest and coolest gnome you've ever seen? So it's got the words in it, says peace, and he's got a very cool hat with a peace sign at the end of the hat, I guess the pom-pom. He's holding a flower, the peace sign. He's got cool glasses, a cool necklace, and I don't know, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be water. And then there's some mushrooms. And beautiful. I love the color of the background also. So this one is also 30 by 40 centimeters. And this is also a full round. And it's got 30 colors. No ABs in this, but it doesn't mean we cannot add ABs. So let me bring it up so you can see how cool this gnome is. Just very cute. Okay, see how sticky? Super sticky. Scarlet and I, we love our gnomes. We can't help ourselves. They're just too cute, guys. Okay, so let's look at the bright colors. I'm just going to turn them this way so you can see. Just very bright colors. Nice green, orange, pinks, purple. Orange, light green, it's like a blue, purple, light blue, orange, yellow, and green. Lots of cool colors on this one. Now this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 of the same color, which is this beautiful green. Very nice. And then let's turn it the other way around so you can see. This is just a lighter green, like a tan, off-white, I don't know, beige, and an orange. More blues, orange, blues, and pink. So this one looks like it has lots of greens, lots of pinks, and lots of blues. Did I say blue? Yeah, blues and greens. And you got white, you got more blues, purple, like a tan, and green. All beautiful, bright colors. So this is gonna look spectacular, guys. I just love the glasses. I would definitely add bling on the glasses, and maybe on the necklace, and on the flower, or on the words. So lots of choices. Put that one over there, and then one more, guys. I decided to do 3 tonight, and this one is called Bee, and it says home, and it's got beautiful bee friends. I guess they're hanging out in their beehive. I think this is the beehive, and they're decorating it. Very, very cool. Let me bring it up so you can see. This is a 30 by 40. Oh, by the way, the Peace Gnome, I'm sorry, is $8.98. And this one is $5.99. And this one has 17 colors. Okay, look how cute they are. Look at that. They're just very friendly, happy bees. Okay, let's see how sticky it is. Super sticky. All right, guys, and this is also a full drill. They're all full drill. They're all from Amazon. So let's look at their colors. All right, let's see. We have here greens, orange, just like a yellow orange, orange, green. This is a very pretty, like a red orange, off-white or beige, grays, and this is like a blue. Well, maybe it's black. It doesn't tell you. It doesn't give you the DMC number, but this is like a dark blue, but yet when you look at this, this looks like like black, but it's actually black. Okay, so that's for the letters. And then over here, let's see, you have lots of beige, lots of, I think that's mauve, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, that beautiful gray, that yellow, orange, and more off-white. And I think these are the 3 of the same. Yep, 11. So 11 would be D. Oh, okay, so that's the beehive. That's why you have a lot of those. It's for the beehive. And that's it. Yeah. So let's bring them all, and they all have the same thing. They all come with the tray, the wax. Actually, this one comes with 2 pencils, or 2 pens, wax and a scrunchie, which is cool. All right, let me bring them all out now so you can see them. Well, which one is your favorite, guys? Obviously, you can't see all 3 of them. But, yeah, I think my favorite is probably the flowers with the butterflies. Yeah, and then the gnome, and then the bees. Well, anyway, have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Bye-bye.